guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Mayglow back with another video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, yeah. So today I rescued this animal from in the hands of danger. I saw it with some kids were having it and they said they wanted to kill it, and I was like, hey, she's so beautiful, she's cute, I like it. I don't actually know the name. Please comment down below in case you know the name of this animal. I don't actually know the name of it. Okay, please kindly comment the name. Let's learn together, seriously. So they wanted to kill this animal and I told them that no. I just saw it and I'm like, let me record this. Why will you kill this beautiful animal? Okay, they wanted to kill, but they are not starting from the neck, but they are starting from one of the arm. So it was terrible. When I find out that way, it was so terrible. I'm praying this animal won't die because I'm sending it to my house. I'm praying she won't die because of the injury. Because of that, she's not even eating. I wanted to give her some water, but she couldn't sustain. Like, I'm praying this animal won't die because she's so beautiful, she's so cute. Guys, continue watching the video, comment down. Like, I'm so sad, look at what they've done to my baby. I'm so sad, guys. Ow.